Okay, so real quick, history of innovation. We were started in 1977. A bunch of Lockheed engineers decided, you know what? It's hot in this big warehouse in Marietta. We can make it cooler. We can control this better than this air handling unit that just has on and off on it. So they built a building automation system back in that day. They talked to Lockheed. They said, hey, Lockheed, we should sell this. Lockheed said, I don't know about that. What's not our, we make aircraft. So these guys left and founded Automated Logic in 1977. Automated Logic has done a lot of interesting firsts. We're the first building automation systems company with a graphic screen, a graphic interface. Back in that day, when we first came out with color graphic HVAC, thermographics is what we called it, and I'll show it to you in a minute. Color cards were only capable of 4 colors. That was what you could buy off the shelf from whomever you were buying your graphic cards from. So we had to make our own graphics cards for a while and our own equipment together to show more than 4 colors. We also, some of our first classes were how to use a mouse. If you've never seen a mouse before, super foreign back in the day, right? Fast forwarding to 1977, earlier than 1977, BACnet started becoming a thing, right? Some guys at Cornell University, some guys at NIST got together and said, look, all these proprietary building automation systems are BS. You lock in your customer, they can never leave you. We gotta make something open, right? So they got together and they got together with ASHRAE and they said, let's make an open building automation system. Let's make an open protocol that everybody talks. Some consistent standard. And that was BACnet. It was 1997. Automated Logic actually adopted BACnet as our standard platform. So we don't build a proprietary protocol. We don't have one. We have BACnet. That's our standard out-of-the-box open systems platform. And we take BACnet so seriously. We have a bunch of people on all the ASHRAE BACnet committees, and I sit on the board of BACnet International. The BTL Test Lab, I sit on that board. And I was the chairman of the board just last year. So and I've been involved for 7 years on the board. So we take BACnet very, very seriously. We're very about open systems.